Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make this chicken farm right here. Beautiful chicken farm. I made it myself. But yeah, further ado, let's get into it. So, alright, the first thing you want to do is place a chest and then a hopper. After this, you want to get any just, replacement block. You're gonna get rid of these, so it doesn't really matter. And then you want to place 2 glass. After that, you want to place trapdoors on both sides, and then you want to get a slab. It can be also with all of this stuff. It can be any. It doesn't matter what color, whatever, as long as it doesn't harm the chickens. But you want to put a slab there, a replacement block, a dispenser, and then you want to put a hopper on the back of the dispenser here. On the back of the dispenser, a block, and then trapdoors all around here. Also on the top as well, like this, like all around it like this. And then you want to get rid of the block inside, because this is where the chickens are gonna go. Okay, now at the back of the dispenser here, you want to lead a trail going underground, presumably, if you want it to look the nicest it can look. You want to dig out a path like this underneath. This will all be covered up. Put a glass block there, and then you want to put redstone like this, as I show you, like this. You then need to get a redstone torch, break one of these blocks. It doesn't matter what side, and then you want to place it and break it really quickly so it looks like this. Once it looks like this, you can get a grass block and cover up the area, and then you would then want to lead the redstone onto there. So now, as you can see, the dispenser is constantly shooting out whatever you put into it and goes into the chest. So then cover up the rest of here, and then if you're in survival, you want to lead the chickens up. I make a path, something like that, but of course I'm in creative, so I can just spawn the chickens in and show you. Bruh. Just put them all in like that. Oh my god. And then close the top up. You can breed them to make the farm more efficient, I guess. And then here, once they poo out eggs, it'll go into this hopper, go into the dispenser, shoot it out, and as you see over here, they will the small chickens will spawn, and then as they grow older, they will suffocate. I don't think it matters if you place the slab on the bottom or the top. Maybe, I don't know what's better, maybe the bottom's better, but yeah, and then when they grow up they'll suffocate, and they will go into the chicken, and feathers will go into here and then go into the chest. So yeah, I've seen other tutorials, but I think this is the easiest. It's my own method, and yeah. Hopefully that you enjoyed this video, hopefully I helped you out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.